Alright, so basically, here's what's going on here. Lawrence is figuring his shit out because he fucking lost fucking zip ties.
I got it.
Reese is fucking killing it over here with the keyboard. Fucking refurbished pro. Got all this shit organized. Fucking pro. I am doing absolutely fucking nothing because
You're more instructing than doing nothing.
thanks for that, Larry. Anyways, here comes JP fucking finally.
Wait, please don't cast.
No cat, no cat, no cat, no cat, no cat.
Yeah, we're good.
Attaboy!
Okay, so what do
Is
you
that
mean
it's
by-
not grounded? Fuck,
Yeah.
JP.
What do you mean? Like a male to male?
You know exactly what I just taught you? Like the grounded little circle thing on the bottom?
It has to have a certain thing about it.
That's what grounded is.
Damn it. Okay.
So it's gonna be one of the green ones. Like the long green ones.
Like the okay.
Um,
Oh, that's what you meant. Okay.
grounded, yeah.
Yeah,
It needs to be
sorry.
grounded.
That's not.
Because that's positive, negative, it needs to be positive, negative, ground.
When you said one of the same thing, I was looking for a male to male, like a male extension.
Oh, I
cord.
gotcha, I gotcha.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Sorry, my bad.
This thing's fucked up.
Wait,
I know what I'm gonna do.
did these go through the other side?
No, look, they go like this.
Okay, then I wasn't pushing. Was not pushing enough.
There's your 2.5 inch
Yeah, no.
mounting shit.
Wasn't pushing enough.
We're gonna have to look. Could you? Oh fuck! I'll grab the instruction booklet. Look up where these need to be mounted for the AMD motherboard.
Wouldn't it be in the?
Maybe in the mobile box. Yeah. Don't get that out yet. We'll, all the wires kind of out of the way ready.
You want me to move them more?
Just like through the front. Just kind of out of the way.
Oh, so just like this way.
Yeah, basically. Check back in soon. All for fun.
I styled my hair today. Okay.
Hold that shit.
Me, my beak here.
What's
going on?
Power supply was being a bitch.
Oh god. Yeah, this is too small. There's a bigger one. You want to run outside and grab one of the actual screwdrivers? Because my dad decided to lose
Whatever,
the
dude.
actually
We're fine.
good
I don't
bit.
care. Screw it.
Actually, I'm gonna go grab one.
Yeah, I don't want to strip that.
Oh
I'll
god.
grab one.
Oh, this is
Fix it.
so off.
No, it's fine.
Yeah, no worries. JP, what's the angling on the camera?
What? I think it's good. I can't really tell you.
I believe that.
Stop fucking saying that. Holy shit. Terabyte hard drive.
Hmm?
Blue.
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 Blue, blue, blue.
It's blue.
Blue, blue.
Hey, Reese. Hi.
How's your endeavor going over there?
Now, all of my array of screwdrivers, this is my best screwdriver.
Your best screwdriver?
Don't lose it.
So don't fuck it up. Don't break your best screwdriver.
Yep.
Yeah, boys.
Now,
Alright.
teach you some knowledge.
Knowledge.
Alright,
Basically.
Gage. So we're teaching you how to do this, okay?
Just fucking pay attention. If I talk to you after this shit and you don't know how to fucking do this, I'm gonna fucking get
I'm gonna kill you.
We don't.
small that fan is.
We don't need that, right?
No,
Dude,
I
that's
mean,
tiny.
keep it ready, but like,
Yeah, because we're not sure if we know how to do it.
basically,
Oh.
Yeah,
That's actually pretty cool.
yeah, no, it just kind of clips on. It's really dope.
Is that
It's
the
pretty.
face?
Yeah, why'd you just fucking touch it? God
Uh,
damn it!
What?
You just got it dirty. Make sure the lock matches.
It's matched. We're good,
And then
dude.
put them in evenly and pressure down. Fucking genius. You're good.
Okay, I need. Okay,
I'm the best, dude.
You fucking are.
Larry's doing the grunt work over there.
There's the shit that I don't want to do. That's basically it.
There. Here,
My
let's
case had them
cover that.
pre-installed.
There
so
you
I was
go.
like, oh, 3.0.
These come.
Hi, Reese.
How you doing? Are you doing every fucking key?
Yeah,
Dude,
did
you
do that?
just the ones that actually have like shit on them.
Well,
If they don't, you can just wipe it when we all put it back in.
I'm too polished, turns out.
All right, dude, you're like a fucking pro, dude. Oh my god.
Honestly, though,
You're
it's,
so
that's
fucking
actually great.
We're giving him a new keyboard, okay?
Yeah.
Gage, it's a new keyboard.
Pretty much a new keyboard.
We're gonna jerry rig the shit out of it.
I believe in our ability not to.
That's gonna fucking shit.
Failing at life with no instruction,
One,
boys.
two.
I mean, we could totally Google instructions.
Yeah, do you even know what this cooler's called, Lawrence?
Evo something.
Fuck.
Evo something. Thanks, Larry.
Yeah, man, it's not wrong.
It's not right either.
Yeah. The fuck?
No, it'll fit. We just have to like, you know.
How do you put it on, though?
You put pressure on it. You push it down and then you screw. It's weird.
But like,
It's weird, but it works. Trust me.
I can't fit a fucking screwdriver in there.
Here.
You'd be surprised. Shit.
Gotta get it. Wow, man.
The back plate is on there. It's just like not fucking. I was just making sure it fits. We haven't put anything on there. I want to try and get it on there before we can even.
Yeah. It's because these screws have.
Well, isn't there an extension? Look at these. Look at these things.
They wouldn't.
What the fuck is that? Like, you can't get this one down either.
There's springs on them. If you notice.
I know, but like. Oh. That shit's not going on. We're missing shit.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Well, stock cooler it is. No one's gonna die. We have failed epically. Intel.
Now,
This is the
if I can learn how this shit works, just give me a minute. Where is... There we go. CPU fan header.
Do we have to consult Manuel?
Who the hell's Manuel?
Fucking Manuel.
That's fine.
That shit clips there.
Retarded. Aries.
Shit goes here. The rest of this goes fucking shit. What the fuck? How is this supposed to fit? Oh, I see.
We'll like tell you what you're holding when you want to take a break.
You know how to.
Yeah, you got it, dude. I believe in you.
You stupid.
I fucking hate these fucking.
I don't know what it is.
There. And then.
Snap out.
There.
Yeah, they're nice. If Intel.
Got it. God
Hey.
damn.
So we're gonna spend probably like, 30 minutes actually
Guys,
putting
what
it
the
together.
fuck?
What? Stop leaning on it. What? What'd we forget? What?
You put the power supply in the right side up, which is wrong. The fan in the bottom. There's a dust filter on the
Dude,
bottom.
God damn it.
yeah.
I was gonna fucking say that.
Shit, that is true. Fuck. I'm gonna take it out.
No, we can probably remove it.
Yeah, that's
without
not
fucking Hollywood.
Yeah.
Shit.
Fuck!
Didn't even think about
James, we're
that.
not putting this shit in yet. You guys are gonna fix your
Yeah,
shit.
give me the screwdriver.
That is not my fault, okay?
Both of you didn't see it.
Yeah.
Both of you didn't think
Listen,
about it.
I did see it. I was gonna say something, but I don't want to sound dumb in case I was
Hey, I
wrong.
want to take the
I'm sorry. My insecurities
Well, no, you're doing the fucking work.
surface.
insecurity surface.
Yes, my insecurities surface.
If you want to question something, question something.
Alright. The fuck is that haircut?
First of all,
The fuck is that haircut? First question. Goddamn.
Okay.
Fucking savage.
This is the stage where Nickel doesn't let us do anything.
yep, pretty much.
Because cable management. That's
Yeah.
that's where this comes into play. I'll let you guys put the
Garbage curtain.
Alright, Larry, that's all you.
To top of it. Make sure it's warmed up.
Make sure you put the pressure on, not the cooler.
I'm an idiot.
Like a Hellcat.
The best thing about your custom PC is the fan. The front fan.
Front fan is quiet as fuck.
Whatever it is not going in. You're not in place.
Is this screw not long enough?
It is. It
No, it should be long enough.
actually may not.
It might not be because mine doesn't have indents.
No, it's not.
You can mount it from the back. Kind of.
How do you want it? Do you not have the extra?
Hardware. I have small screws though.
Super really, dude.
That's a great idea. That's the. Oh fuck.
What?
Should I just use like these screws?
What do you screw up?
I think these are extra mothers.
What did you fuck up, Mitchell?
What did we all fuck up?
What do we all fuck up?
The motherboard screws are the ones with the fucking hex shit. Those are the motherboard screws. These are the hard drive screws. How many do you have left?
There should be a lot in there. Don't worry.
Fuck it, we're fine.
It's okay. Never mind.
There's enough in there.
No. These are these are.
We're fine.
But I
What do you
mean,
think fucking go to. There's not enough for the motherboard.
yeah, that's why.
This should fit. Yeah.
Not
No, these are hard drive.
Yeah,
These are hard drive.
There's
But, like-
screwdriver.
Because for my hard drive, for my my motherboard, they have.
Alright, stand up. Get some fucking blood on your feet.
For my motherboard, they have the rounded ones. Oh. Oof.
I'm gonna feed things to you.
Fuck.
Yeah.
How do Japanese people do this?
Training.
Dude, like my knees are locked.
Hardcore fucking training.
Don't worry.
Alright, zip ties!
Let's just say the video may be a bit
You need
awkward.
the fucking zip ties.
Where are they?
They're right.
You want to wear the headband?
Yes!
Oh, there they are.
Headband. What a song.
You cable man, bitch.
Oh.
It's me.
Accept it. It's done. He's sleeping. Fucking Lawrence.
I'm not sleeping.
JP's fucking chilling.
Lawrence being a pussy.
Lawrence is a fucking pussy. Pussy.
Finish sleep though.
Just kidding. This fucking works.
Everything good? We got drivers?
Yeah.
Fuck. Yes.
Good.
Let's have a LAN party.